Good morning. Saturday. It's a very grey morning, but we are here following another mountain bike trail, one I haven't seen before, but it's definitely older. And yeah, forgot the other camera, which is stupid. And this one is really nice, beautiful forest. Looks a bit haunted and enchanted, but as you might see on camera, really steep. So yeah, I need to take a break from time to time, catch my breath. So we are probably roughly halfway up now. So yeah, I would love to have 4 legs. In a way I have, but reluctant to use the front legs to climb up. Okay, that's it. Quick break, and now we go on. I've seen a few of these in the woods. So one stump, and then 2 or 3 branches coming out of it. Looks weird, strange, mysterious, but cool. And as I said, there's another one. So I'm not really sure what that means. There's a trail, and there is the hound. So yeah, we're almost up. From here it's fairly easy, because I know again where I am. Sorry. Because I walked this one a couple of times before, and that's the one going down. And really iffy, dodgy bridge jump over a ravine. Not sure if it still is there after all the rain, so don't want to try that. So we go up here to the top, around, and then come down where the old crashed car is, which I will show you later. Yeah, celebrated a little bit too early, saying we're on top now, or almost on top. Still climbing, but not as bad as the other bits. So once for sure, the way I came up, it's not a way to go down, or you have to go down on the bottom, because I had to scramble up on all 4. Yeah. Anyway, let's go on. Yeah, I will show you where we come out later. He found a stick. Tiny one, he thinks. And that one is better. Okay, move on. Oh, dry stone wall in the middle of nowhere. So I just remembered there's another way down, which is fairly close from here, probably where he stands, and then to the left. If I remember right, that one is really steep and gooey. But we're already halfway down. So do we go further up to the ridge, over, and then down there where the gorillas in the mist live? Gorillas in the mist live? Or do we scramble down here? Dude, I think we go this way. This way, come. That works like a charm. Rightio. Going further up. By the way, 24th of February, 24. Snow. That high. I have to go up there. But it's not too bad, it's just really slippery. So, careful. Yeah, we did not go down the other way, because that was like this, but down. And he didn't like it. But anyway, let's go up there. You alright, mate? Looks like it. Okay, yeah. That's the top. Steep bits up are behind us. Only steep bits down now. So he's getting nuts. Yeah, throw up a little. You're good? Or you're dying? Dying. Oh, you're right. Yes. Taste the labeling. Probably just me taking me. I was coughing here just a few minutes back. All right. Let's go. I kid you not. These stupid hills keep coming. Can't remember that they were here. To be honest, I only ever went this way, the other way around. So downhill. So probably haven't realized that there are so many climbs in here. So yeah, but this really should be the last one. Famous last words. They're not as steep as the beginning, but still powered out down there, so maybe running on fumes now. Whew. And snow's getting thicker. So, he loves it. There we go. There he is. Did I mention that we live in Wales? So yeah, the track is a bit wet. No problem for him, he loves it. Probably will have a little zip of it. A zip, zip, zip. Anyway, he will drink a little. And I will try to get across it without getting more too wet. So over there goes down straight. Absolutely vertical. And here, yeah, as you can see, snow. It's not too cold, so it's just cold enough to maintain the snow. Or it feels not too cold. Visibility is a bit shit. But on the other hand, it's quite mystical. Gives the whole thing a little bit more flair. So yeah, the bright spot up there, that's where the sun is. And that's where the normal path goes along. And then disappears in the fog, in the mist. So we're almost at the big gravel track. One more ocean to cross. It's getting dark there. By the way, this is an official walking way. Peatlands. So yeah, cycled this way many times. This way, come. So yeah, we are on the way back down. So that's where we came from. Some more dry stone walls. And that's where we have to go. And that's where we live. In the mist with the gorillas. I mean, come on. It looks just stunning. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, came down there. Here's the car wreck. We could go that way. It's a bit further. It gets really wet at some point. And we can go this way. Just a bit shorter, but also will get wet at some point. So yeah, wet feet definitely before we go home. To be honest, I'm wearing the old shoes and feet are already wet. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, and it was actually easier than I thought. Rain had washed away most of the mud, so there's not a new way through actually. Still needed both hands for balance, so couldn't really film it. And well, didn't even think about it. Anyway, we are now on the home stretch. Quite wet up here too. So another little steep bit down, and then we are on our daily morning walk trail. And yeah, soonish we're home. Does this one? Yes, it does work. Cool. So yeah, bench. Way down. And next time we will go up there. He hasn't been there. Looks like he wants to go up there now, but we won't. This way. Up. So let's get down. Yeah, and full rookie error not to take the camera, the GoPro or something, or the Insta 360. But the initial idea was just to have a short walk, but then he wanted to go up the mountain bike trail. It's really adamant. So yeah, we did that. And to make do now with a phone, but it should work. It doesn't look too bad.